Hello guys, I'm really happy to see you guys over here, and in this video as discussed we are talking about replicators, and we'll take some examples to understand what are replicators. So first example is if a user sees a fake pop-up, so in that case the replicator might be the file that is downloaded once the user clicks on the pop-up. So let's take another example. If someone receives an email attachment, which can be a genuine email attachment, and it can be an Excel file, and the replicator might be, in this case the replicator might be the macros attached to the Excel sheet. The second example is cracked software. It is never advised to use cracked softwares, and the replicator might be the crack that you use, and it can spread depending on the modifications that the cracked software does to your system. So in next video we are going to talk about concealer, and I hope you will be there and you will be joining me. So thanks for watching.